Stayed here for 2 days. We were a group of 18 of us. आणि खूप खूप मजा झाली. मुख्य म्हणजे the staff here is fantastic. They make you feel at home. The food is simply delicious. The barbecue, you must try the barbecue here. For that you must have a night stay, and this place is spick and span, and it's like a home away from home. You must come to Dalla Rooster.
Thank you.